Would you like to add closet design to your list of professional organizing services, but are not confident in your design skills or handling power tools? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to incorporate this desirable service into your existing business without doing the labor yourself. I've been working on a video series here for aspiring and new professional organizers, focusing on in-demand services like senior downsizing and working with folks with chronic disorganization. The focus of today's video is adding closet design services to your existing organizing business and how you can offer them without doing any of the labor yourself. You can click here to see all the videos in this series. You may have clients who want to upgrade their closets or new clients seeking a custom solution. These can be great jobs for professional organizers, but they come with some challenges, which we will get into here today. Welcome back to those of you who've been watching me for a couple of years now talk about the joys and challenges of working in the world of professional organizing. And if you're here for the first time, I extend a warm welcome to you. If you are launching or scaling up your home organizing business, you have come to the right place. Since starting my own business in 2002, I've gathered a treasure trove of knowledge, all of which I'm eager to share with you. And for more support, you'll find links to my online courses and one-on-one personalized coaching in the description of this video. I love when my clients want to upgrade their existing builder-grade closets, you know, the ones with just the one shelf and one rod, to custom designed closets. They will be able to maximize their space, fill it with all their things, and it could increase the value of their home when they go to sell. It's also much more fun to organize a space when you have those additional shelves and drawers. Now, I'm pretty handy, but I would not tackle an actual install of the closet, getting all those measurements right and carrying around all those bulky materials. But I have found a way to grow my business and offer custom closet solutions. So let me tell you how. Before we jump into our next segment, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, Project to Payment. If you're running a professional organizing business, you know how important it is to keep track of sales and to send out invoices. Project to Payment is becoming my go-to app for all of that and more. It's super easy to use, making it a breeze to get paid by your clients. But that's not all. It also helps you keep track of your customers' contact information, so you always look super organized when your clients call. And the best part? The team at Project to Payment is all about supporting small businesses. They offer their services at just $20 a month, no matter how many users you have. And guess what? If you use the special link in the description below to sign up, you'll get 3 free months. So don't wait, check them out and make your business life much easier. If you've taken my training courses, you are familiar with the basic process of paid organizing services. You start with a consultation or planning session. You then schedule a number of decluttering sessions where you sort items with your client and help them make decisions about what to keep and what to toss. And lastly, you put things away in their final homes in neat little containers. To offer closet design in your services, you'll want to research what options your client has in their area. They probably range from the higher end custom closet designers to closets that you can design online and have delivered. I have used Container Store design services, which keep getting better and better over the years, and companies that send a designer to the home for a free consultation. Once you have educated yourself, and hint, hint, this is a great way to market your services and network with related businesses. You can then incorporate sharing those resources with your client during your consultation. Part of our work as professional organizers is being knowledgeable about services that can help our clients get organized. The next step involves understanding that when a new closet is set up, the installers will require that that closet be emptied beforehand. You guessed it, more work for you, as you are the perfect person to empty and sort that closet to help your client declutter. So you can see in our timeline when the install takes place. After the closet is installed, guess what? The closet designer and the installer do not help your client put things away. That's your job. Now you'll have a session or two with your client for the fun part of organizing, the color coding, the labeling, and getting storage bins. So let's recap. You know all about the closet design services in your area that can educate your client with the different options during the consultation. You are saving them lots of time they would need to spend researching their options. You book decluttering sessions before the install, and you book organizing sessions after the install. And you did not have to do any measuring or use a single power tool. Other considerations when offering this specialty, there are lots of options like wall systems and systems that are built from the floor up that are truly customizable within an inch of the space. It's best to find out your client's budget ahead of time, or if they have their own handy person who can install a simple, say, Alpha system from Container Store. The Container Store also has design services in store and online, but if you want them to do the install, you can check if they offer that service in your area. Personally, I like using the custom install services that send a designer to the house free of charge, because then I can focus on the organizing side of things. If today's insights into closet design services have inspired you, but you're seeking more structured guidance, please reach out. I can help you get your business off the ground faster so you are not spinning your wheels trying to figure out everything on your own. Check out last week's video about working with chronically disorganized clients and how you can help them out. Please like and subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.